Oh, I need to build a new template from scratch. This could take all day. But I've got a better idea. Let's create templates with AI Assistant. Describe what you need: the topic, the sections, and the team. Then watch the AI Assistant build your template live. The assistant can also edit your template without starting over, add sections, tables, get a second opinion on the content, all from the same chat. In this video, we'll cover creating a template from a single prompt, editing it with the assistant, and getting feedback on your template. You'll need the template's create permission to follow along. Ready? Let's build one. Open the AI Assistant from the sidebar for the full view, or use the icon in the top bar to keep it as a floating panel while you work. Type your prompt. We're building a pre-start warehouse safety check for shift managers, covering PPE, general conditions, material handling equipment, and the dock and loading bay, with an approval step for final sign-off and no more than 25 questions. The more detail you give, the better the result. When the template is ready, a link appears in the chat. Click it to open the template editor. Watch the AI Assistant build your template live. Your template, sections, questions, and an approval workflow ready to customize. Now let's make some changes by editing with the AI Assistant. Say you forgot to include a fire extinguisher check. Upload an image of the table you need. Then ask the assistant to add it. The assistant adds it exactly as shown. Need every question answered? Ask the assistant to require all questions. It applies it across the template and excludes anything that shouldn't be required. Before you wrap up, you can get feedback from the assistant. Ask it, are there any gaps in this template? It responds with specific suggestions, and you can action one directly from the chat. When you're happy with the result, publish your template, and it's ready for your team. From blank page to published template in minutes, not hours. Search AI Assistant in the Help Center to learn everything the assistant can do. Head to help.safetyculture.com.